Hello Internet, in this video I will show you how I transform this scrap piece of MFD into this vertical holding jig. Keep watching. Welcome to Scott's Garage. Welcome literally to my garage. Whether it's working on a daily driver or a project car or a project around the home or the yard or the patio, a pallet project, Scott's Garage is a place for do-it-yourselfers. Everything is do-it-yourself. Welcome to my channel. Okay, here it is, the finished product, my version of the vertical holding jig. Now I need to give credit where credit is due. I'm just a do-it-yourselfer. I'm not a woodworker yet, but I've been watching a YouTuber. His YouTube channel is J Woodworking. You can see a link to his channel in the description below. Join his channel, subscribe to him. He's just awesome. He truly is a craftsman, a true woodworker. And I've learned so much from watching his channel, and he has inspired me to really improve my skills in woodworking. And so I used his jig to pattern my jig off of. So mine's very similar to his. I put a handle up here. His jig, he puts his hand down here, and my hand's just a little bit too big for that. It's much easier up here. Obviously, I use the nail gun and not screws. And I'll be using this jig for the very first time on a project that I'll eventually link here in the card above. And it is rebuilding, not really rebuilding, completely building a new table for this old Rockwell Model 10 table saw that I've had for years, and I'm looking forward to making a new table. And so here's one of the legs, and what I'll be doing is creating a castle joint. I'll be using this jig to do so, but I'll just briefly show you how it'll work. The reason this is angled is so that whatever you're working on, you can put a clamp on there as close as possible. And clamp it down, and then you simply use the jig to make whatever joint you want in the piece that you are working on. Hey, if you got any value at all from this video, please give me a like. It costs you nothing, but it's a great value to me, and it really helps the YouTube algorithm. And as usual, have a great day.